Now we discuss next chapter, magnificent forts. India is a land of ancient forts and monuments which describe its deep, magnificent past. Read the clues and name these forts. Now first we discuss, it is one of the largest fort in India. It is one of the largest fort in India, situated at an elevated platform of and very thick walls as boundaries, thus make the fort look very imposing. The fort has 7 distinct gates, one of which still has canonical imprints so as to signify the war of the past, So name of it is Mehrangarh Fort. Mehrangarh Fort. Next, this fort is referred to as a walled city because of its area spread over 94 acres. From here, the Kohinoor diamond was seized by the Mughal ruler Babur. So, name of this fort is Agra Fort. Agra Fort. It was the capital fort of the Tughlaqs under Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He forcibly moved the whole population of Delhi to here, and before he knew it, they ran out of water, eventually had to abandon the fort and city. So name of this fort is Daulatbad Fort. Daulatbad Fort. The fort has one of the richest histories in the monuments of its time. The fort itself has a boundaries wall that is about 10 kilometers long. A clap at this entrance can be heard a kilometer away at the Bala Hisar Pavilion. So name of this fort is Golconda Fort. It stands proud on the Trikuta hill in the Thar desert. During its capture by Alauddin Khilji, the women of the royal family committed Johar suicide to save themselves from having their modesty enraged by the invaders. So name of this fort is Jaisalmer Fort. Now next one. This World Heritage Site was built in the 15th century. This World Heritage Site was built in the 15th century by Rana Kutumba. It is one of the offbeat fort in India. This World Heritage Site was built in the 15th century by Rana Kumbha. It is one of the offbeat fort in India, situated 80 km off of Udaipur. The fort was built to be impregnable. So name of this fort is Kumbhalgarh Fort. Next one. This is one of the few major forts in Rajasthan that has not been constructed on a hilltop. This is an important fort for the locals because the city has evolved and grown around the fort. So name of this fort is Junagadh Fort. So name of this fort is Junagadh Fort. Thank you.